guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll tell you guys how to actually glorify studying, and it's actually very fun to do this. And if you guys watch my video, you will understand how can I glorify my studying routine, and it will be a game changer for you. So that's it, start with the video. Point number one, clean routine. So what do I mean by clean routine, you would ask? So it simply means that before you are studying, you need to declutter all your belongings that are unnecessary and that are of no use. Because when you are about to study, you need to have a mindset that I am just going to focus on my studies. But if you are focused on the unnecessary things, then you're going to lose the focus. So what I would suggest you guys to do is, before sitting for your studies, just clean your table, have a nice desk, wipe the dust and everything, and have the pencil box very organized, and have books that are only needed. Do not put extra books, it's gonna put a pressure on you. So just the right amount of books that you will be needing, and nuts and a water bottle. Everything should be very sorted. Number two, write it down. So what I mean by write it down, you need to make a list of things that you have not studied yet, and another list that what is easy and I can study in this much period of time, and it is very easy for me to cover these topics. So I would just say, write each and everything that you need to study and what you have not studied yet. So when you make the type of list that I'm saying, you will realize how much you have left for yourself to study. So when you write it down on a piece of paper, you have solved the problem by 80%. So you need to write down each and everything. For example, your whole syllabus, your timetable, just write it on a piece of a paper and keep it in front of your eyes. So is change your studying environment on daily basis. So what I mean by this is, when you study at the same spot, you might get bored, or you might get hung, or you might not feel very motivated. So what I would suggest you guys to do is like study in a library. So nowadays the libraries are also different types of, like, you can also study in your college library, or you can actually pay a little bit of amount for your private library that are near to your house. And the third one is also, the government also provides library for you, because when you actually change the environment where you study, you will realize how much it impacts your brain and your focus. So I would just say, just constantly change your study sitting, and it's gonna change a lot for you. So it's the game changer, and I have done this, and it actually improves my focus, because if I study on a same spot for the rest of my curriculum, I wouldn't be able to go through that, because it's just so boring for me to sit at one place. So I need a constant change, because when you go to a library, you will see a lot of students who are studying, and you will indirectly or directly get motivated. So that's a win-win situation. So yeah, so change your location once in a while, give yourself a little reward. So after achieving your timetable or time schedule that you had decided, and when you do that, even if you don't, but you are very close to your goal, you should give yourself a treat by giving yourself a chocolate or a thing that you like or you are craving. Because when you actually think of rewarding yourself after completion of the task, you will realize how much fun it is to do it constantly. Just make it a loop, because when you constantly get into the habit of winning, and you are always winning, you will get automatically into a loop that I am the best. So what I would suggest you guys to do is, try to do all these 5 things on a regular basis, and you will understand how much nicer it is to win in academics, and it will be like a treat for you every once in a while, and you wouldn't stop doing that, and you would always be like an academic weapon. So when you actually get good grades, you actually feel like it's a reward, and of course it is, but it's just so much sweet and so much nicer when you get the result of your hard work, and you won't stop doing that because you're going to be in a complete loop. So just do not break this loop, and even if you think you're about to break the loop, just get quickly into the step one and just do that loop constantly, and that's how you will always be an academic weapon. Yeah, and I would say just do these things and you would automatically feel changes in your mindset and your thinking, and this is gonna help you become the academic weapon. And you need to glorify your studies too, because without glorifying it's kind of a boring, so just glorify it. And that's it. And if you guys like my video, please like it, and do not forget to subscribe it and hit the bell icon.